Hello and welcome to Chris Smell FPV. I'm down in my creation station, aka the shop, working on my 62 Ford Falcon. Doing a little work, but I wanted to take a break, so I brought down some of my little gates I created and my TinyHawk S, running 1S with the 0802 2.5 16,500 kV motors. We're gonna be flying it around, having a little fun in the workshop because it's wintertime and I gotta get my whoop practice in. Let's check it out.
Like the cool blue light, 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 like the cool blue light.
Well, I think that's going to be it for tonight's whoop practice. It's getting late. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you on the next one.